Want to know how to see your project directory or the source project that is saved onto your file in NetBeans? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your NetBeans application right here. And now once you've done that, on the left side, you should be seeing projects right here. Just simply select it. And now once you select your project here, you should be seeing various projects available right here. So you can just simply right click on the project name. And now once I've done that, here you should be seeing open in system. So it should be right below open in terminal. So just simply select it. And once that is done, your file explorer should open up, and here you should be seeing under Maven projects 2 its source code and its basically its directory. So right here you can see our project that we had created, and inside it we have src target and much more. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.